Are you going to take those? It did fall on the floor.
Yeah, Coda's got a new spot today. In there. He's not usually in there.
Yeah. We have pork butt. And I'm going to grind up some beef with it because the actual recipe, original recipe, has beef, pork, and pork fatback. Now, I've done this before and I haven't liked it because it's too granular. So I might leave that out depending on how fatty this is. Ah, fresh from the coven. Welcome in, fresh from the coven. Good to see you. Thank you for joining us. Hope you are well. We're going to be grinding things today. So, let's see if I can mess things up here. I already broke the fridge. Let's see if I can break things over here. I'm getting ahead of myself, actually. I wanted to dig this out to have it at the ready. Oh, and the gnocchis we froze, and we now have gnocchi, a good supply of gnocchi from Wednesday. So we're just getting all sorts of good foods in here.
Restocking
Yes.
a few things.
Your grandbaby was just born. Congratulations!
Ew.
That is awesome.
Congratulations.
A meme.
A meemaw.
I remember that term. And it's grandmother, but I'm trying to think of the origin.
It's southern.
Southern?
Southern.
Oh,
It's like mama, but meemaw.
Meemaw. Yeah, okay. Mine was Graham. Graham and Pop-Up.
I think meemaw got the better end of that deal.
Yeah.
Peepaw.
People. Boy, oh yeah. Boy, howdy. What was I looking at this for? I don't know. That happens more and more these days.
Is this the first grandbaby? Sounded like it was, but I shouldn't assume. Oh, yeah. Big changes.
First one. Oh, wow. Yeah.
It's a big thing. Yeah.
Lots of spoilage about to come.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. Don't forget, feed the child lots of sugar and then hand them back. All right. You think after all the times I've done this, I'd have a system worked out, like you put this here, you put that there. Nope. So, tear this down, debone. I am going to put some of the fat through. This, for 4 pounds of this, I put 1 pound of chuck in, which is good for ground beef. And then, I think a 1/4 pound of this. Let me go here. Sleepless nights. No, it's coming for the parents. You see, the parents get to do the nighttime calls. All right. Ruh-roh.
What?
There it is. My go-to knife. All right, this was frozen 2 days ago. I think